I hate lead gen forms. There are no two ways about it. There is no specific hatred that I have towards them except for the fact that they're boring, they only ask for basic details, high drop-off rates, no real engagement happening on lead gen forms, and the basic information that you collect is not enough for you to go ahead and qualify the audiences. At the most, what are you going to ask? Like a quick summary of their problem that they're facing? It is still boring and dry. The solution that I realized for this could be the AI quizzes, or you can go ahead and let your users take or visitors take. That gives you a lot of scope to engage with them, get a lot of information which is meaningful to go ahead and give them something. But you may always come back to me and say that, hey, how is this different? Because we have been using platforms like Typeform, which also come with an AI functionality. And how are your quizzes going to be different from what we're already doing with Typeform? It's different in two ways. One, we are not just going to stop by just collecting the information from the quiz that we are going to implement. And the second thing is this is not just any quiz, but there are a lot of integrations that come with it that makes it very, very meaningful, engaging. Now, first things first, let's look at what is the difference when we speak about lead gen forms. What are the differences between a lead gen form and the AI survey that I'm talking about, right? Now, these are visually, there is a lot of difference. This is plain, the forms are plain, and then AI quizzes can be a little more interesting. You collect only the basic information from a lead form, while you can go ahead and get deep in terms of getting a lot of information that you can from users with respect to their business or the immediate solution. If you're talking about an agency which is a video editing agency, you can ask questions like, what's your editing style? What's your budget, right? What's your goal with this project? These are the questions that you can ask the client, and you can get a little more information from them. Now, what happens typically with an AI generated quiz, or any quiz for that matter, is psychologically people feel that they're being involved in a collaborative process where it is not saying, give me your name and number, I will call you back. This is like trying to understand them more. You're giving out a vibe that you're trying to understand, you're genuinely concerned about what these guys are going through. Now, they're excited to finish because they are being involved and they are able to think about their potential solutions. They're potentially thinking of how you can help them. You learn their project type, style, etc. Now, there is a lot of scope with these AI quizzes for you to go ahead and integrate them with ChatGPT-like platforms and give them a custom solution or a custom result. Now, you're not just sending a mass emailer to somebody. Now, here we're talking about a customized solution. Let's get to that in a second. But you get their email and full insights. Emails are automatically personalized, which we'll talk about in a second. Leads feel seen. They want to work with you now, right? Now, typically, if you look at what the workflow looks like, this is typically what the workflow looks like. Now, leads visit your landing page, they click on the quiz, they take the quiz. Now, the results are being passed to a platform like ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, based upon the prompt that you have given, depending upon the certain results that you have mapped from the AI quiz. For example, if you're talking about industries like, let's say, healthcare, if you're talking about e-commerce, if you're talking about SaaS, you will have information about these as a part of your quiz. Now, you can go ahead and craft a custom solution or a custom result which is personalized for this industry specifically, which make them feel more involved and relevant, right? Now, depending upon this, you can send out a custom email sent to these guys with a specific insight, custom solution that you may have come up with based upon ChatGPT. So basically, you collect all the information from these quizzes, you pass them on to ChatGPT using platforms like Zapier or Make.com, and that sends out a personalized email to these guys with a custom solution for these guys based upon the quiz answers. Now, this is a very customized solution that you can also scale thanks to AI and certain automations, which is a seamless flow of connecting people, making them involved, engaging them, collecting more information about them, sending them a customized, personalized solution that will appeal to them. You can use platforms like Try and Tract, which is an AI platform which helps you get those quizzes. See you with another interesting hack in the next video. That's it from me now. This is Casey signing off. You are watching AI Sassy. Ciao.